Hi everyone, in this lecture we'll do a case study on Excel, allocation of transaction price on multiple performance obligations. So here we have AHM Limited is a manufacturer of equipment used in naval industry. AHM's products range from small to large individual pieces of automated machinery to complex systems containing numerous components. Unit selling price range from 500,000 to 5 million and are quoted inclusive of installation and training. This is very important. The installation process does not involve changes to the features of the equipment and does not require proprietary information about the equipment in order for the installed equipment to perform to specifications. So AHM has the following arrangement with ABC Limited. ABC purchases equipment from AHM for a price of $2 million and chooses AHM to do the installation. AHM charges the same price for the equipment irrespective of whether it does the installation or not. Some companies do the installation themselves because they either prefer their own employees to do the work or because of relationships with other customers. The installation service included in the arrangement is estimated to have a stand-alone selling price of $25,000. The stand-alone selling price for the training session is estimated at $50,000. Other companies can also perform this training service. So here ABC is obliged to pay AHM $2 million by wire transfer upon delivery and installation of the equipment. AHM delivers the equipment on September 1st, 2025 and completes the installation of the equipment on November 1st, 2025. Transfer of control is complete. Training related to the equipment starts once the installation is completed and lasts 6 months. The equipment has a useful life of 20 years. Assume that the cost of the equipment is $1,500,000 and the AHM closing of the year is 31 of December. Question 1. Identify the performance obligations for purpose of accounting for the sale of the equipment. Question 2. If there is more than one performance obligation, how should the payment of $2 million be allocated to various components? And question 3. Provide the booking entries for the year closing 31 December 2025 and 2026. So take 15 minutes to do the exercise and we'll do the correction in the next lecture.